like the top knot. That is cute. That is so cute. All right, y'all, so I'm about to do a very simple but effective install of that Kinky straight frontal wig that you guys just saw from Nadula hair. And my hair is freshly washed, so I'm just gonna be lightly blow drying that to do a quick little braid down, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys to install this wig. So relax, sit back, you know, watch these clips of this braid down, and I'll be back to you guys to install. All right, y'all, so this wig did come pre-bleached and lightly plucked. I'm going to try to work with how it came and show how, you know, you don't really have to do much work. Here, I'm just gonna go in and cut this excess lace off. And repeat on the other side. Y'all, if it wasn't for this, you guys can see this lace on my skin. That's pretty damn awesome. Pretty careful. I have cut it wrong plenty of times. The only thing I'm doing, y'all, I'm trying to get as close to the lace where the hairline starts as possible. For the melt, I'm going to be using some Eben Wonder Lace. So I'm just going to be hitting these parts by my ear to lay them down. Nadula sent over this melt band, which is very helpful. So I know you guys see that's peeking up, but this melt band, I'm gonna literally place it right over it and let that sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then also to help, I'm gonna pull down what will be baby hairs. Okay, so while that melts, I really wanna do like a half up, half down. And you know, this is a frontal, so I have to be kind of smart with how I get this half up, half down. So let's do, right, we just, yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Okay. Up, out of the way. Y'all, it flat irons very pretty. I lightly flat iron the back. For the front, I think I'm gonna use some of this even and just spray that on top. Brush her up. Okay, even. Let's take off this band and see how it's looking underneath. Okay. No. For the baby hairs, I'm going to be using some Eco Styler. I always love using my thumb to kind of, you know, get that together. So that is it for this video. I did something simple with this quick half up, half down. I braided half of the ponytail just for something different, and this is what I got. This hair can get straighter than this. I passed through with the flat iron like once just to kind of get it a little tamed because she is very thick and it's very multi-wear. Like you guys can do crimps, you guys can do curls, you can straighten it, you can do braid outs, and even twist outs with this. That'd be really cute with some perm rods at the end. Let it sit, popping. So if you are interested in looking at this hair or any type of hair from them, so if you're interested in this hair, all the links for it will be down below, and you guys should definitely check it out. This color is bomb. It's giving very much ginger bay. It's giving very much sun-kissed ash, right? So at this point of this video, I wonder how that would look if I do like a top knot. I like the top knot. That is cute. That is so cute. I'm liking the ginger. If you guys are interested in this hair or checking out any hair from Nadula, all the links will be in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like and come on and subscribe to my channel to take off with me and, you know, join the fam. Let's do some simple installs. I did nothing to this wig but put it on my head with some even holding spray, and that's it. I'll also use the even lace tint, and she's not going anywhere, okay? She's not. At this point in the video, I'm talking too much because it's time to go. This wig is on my head and I'm gonna go get my nails done with my friends, so I gotta go, beauties. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. Bye.